Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is all round fan Gele. Stay with me if you really want to know how to tie your all round fan Gele this beautiful. First step, you know the measurement of your Gele, like the ratio you're working with, and we are going to be working with the ratio 80-20. Now 20 is the shorter flap that I'm holding, and the 80 flap is the one my model is holding. So I make five base plates. You can make 4, you can make 5, you can make 6, you can even make more depending on the length of your Gele. But for this Gele, I like to just make 5, so that even if I lose any of my pleats, I'll still have at least 4 and I'll still be good. So if you're watching what I'm doing closely, I am aligning the pleats at the end of our ears. Like before taking it to the back, I align the pleats on themselves, so together all my pleats, they stay on themselves. I then come to the back to arrange my pleats. Now I see most people just come back and just squeeze everything and make a mess at the back just because they feel that nobody's going to see the back. It's really going to affect the end result of your Gele. So you really want to take your time to arrange the back. Follow the base pleat and arrange the base pleat, then put the shorter flap over the longer flap, like I'm doing. Just watch me and you understand what I'm saying. So I tell my model to hold my shorter flap for me so it can be easy. Then I come to the front, then on my 5th base pleat, that's the last pleat, I put my 80 flap pleat. So you make sure that you directly place all of these pleats on the very last pleat, so that way your pleats align and people don't even get to see where you started joining from. So yeah, I start to make my fan pleats. Your fan pleats are slanted, they are not straight. Look at the way I'm holding my pleats. Just make sure that your pleats are slanted, and every pleat you make as a beginner, please make sure you arrange well. And for the pleats that are down, like I'm doing now, you arrange your pleats, you arrange it on top and you arrange it beneath, like I'm doing now. You drag it out, make sure that all those hidden pleats are straightened out. When they are straightened out, it will be easy for you at the end of it. Look at what I'm doing, dragging out the hidden pleats so that they don't become a problem for me when I want to knot my Gele at the back. So please, for every pleat you make, remember to fold and set well.
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they self me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. Who said he used to places a better one I saw.
Now remember to reduce your fan as you are getting to the end of your Gele. Once you're getting to the end, you make sure to drag it out and you reduce your fan pleats like I've done. Then you tell your model or anybody that is there to hold it firmly for you. Please, you want to make sure that their grip is really firm so you don't lose all of the work you've been doing. And there are 2 ways to this, but because of the texture of this Gele is really thick, so I decided not to knot. I decided to just fold the Gele, then take it back up and secure. So this way it is better, especially as a beginner. you're sure that you would have your pleats. So yeah, if something like this happens and you see that your gele looks like this, all you have to do is just come and arrange. You don't need to feel like, oh, you've lost the pleat. You've not lost it. So far you arranged your pleat from the beginning really well. That's what I was saying earlier, that you have to make sure that all of the hidden pleats are well plated, that you drag them out. So it's because I have a really strong base, that's why even with this I can still arrange my gele. So this can happen depending on the texture of the gele you have. Some geles will come out and they will stand and they will just align like that, while others you have to really arrange here and there like I'm doing here for you to get your fan pleat. But either ways, once your foundation is strong, once the base of your gele is strong, once the base pleats are aligned, you'll be able to get all of them. Once there are no hidden pleats that would come and make your work rough or make it look unattractive, or you understand, not make you get what you want, you'd definitely be fine. So make sure that once you're making your fan pleats, all of the hidden pleats, you straighten them out and you'd be fine. So yeah, I'm still arranging because I just like to have the best finish with my gele. Now that I am sure that my fan pleats are good, they are looking like fan, I now come to the back and I drag. You can see where I'm dragging. So gele is interconnected, every part is connecting to every part. That's why you don't miss any stage. You try to get every stage right so that at the end you'll not have problem. I dragged that string out, that side out, to reduce that other side. I don't know, but I feel like once you watch this video is something that you might want to watch more than one to perfectly understand this, especially if you're a beginner. You really need to watch this video more than once so you can practice and get it. So I just straightened the back and I folded the back to make it look neat at the back. You also want to be careful about the back of your gele. It's not just enough for you to have a nice front and the back is looking all messy. Now I just come to drag my gele to the hairline. You adjust your gele once you're done with your gele. Please don't ever skip this step. Make sure you're careful when you're adjusting. That's why I had to adjust first, then go back, then see. So you make sure that once it's at the hairline, you are good to go. Thanks for staying by. I'll see you in my next one. Kindly subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.